Oh man, I can't believe it. Well, wow. The rain just hit the part of had just hit the streets. So yeah, now the street is flooded with water, and I think it's worse out here. Oh man. Oh. Wow. It just now it's now there's a big rain puddle outside. Now the cats are gonna get scared of the water. Ugh. Okay, guys. Whoa, I can't believe it. There's a rain. We got like flash flood warning out here in Texas. So there's like way so much rain out here. Oh no, it's me. There's like way a ton of rain out there. Yeah, you can hear the thunder. Wow. A few hours ago, like I would say, a few minutes ago, the power went out, and I know I was lucky I had to run near this blue flashlight. I don't know, but it said it'll last for 2 hours. It'll be active for the next 2 hours. Wow, it's gonna be like all this. Oh no, it's me. It's gonna rain tomorrow, like tonight, and then tomorrow. That one's been active. Now there's nothing I can do outside. I better go. I better go check outside in the living area.
Apágalo, ¿para qué estás nervioso?
No, no estoy pagando.
Estás muy nervioso.
No, estoy poniendo un video de yo. No.
Hey, ahí va el niño.
No! Get away! Whoa! I think I might chip the alley. Oh, wow! Look at all over here. Now the next street is like filled with water already.
¿Video de qué?
Huh?
¿Video de qué?
¿De yo?